बोलो गिरिराज महाराज की जय. So when we look at Giriraj Maharaj, when we look at its satellite image, actually it is described, Giriraj is in a shape of a peacock. So we have already discussed about Kusum Sarovar. Kusum Sarovar, Srila Vishnath Chakravarti Thakur describes that to be the face of the peacock. And the love-laden eyes of peacock are the Radha Kund and Sham Kund. So that is one end, and the other extreme, the poonch or the tail of peacock is the poonchari. So we were discussing about Manasi Ganga, Annakut Kshetra, Anayur. We keep walking, and towards the fag end, from where the parikrama, we have to take a round turn, and we like almost reach at the end of Giriraj or poonch of Giriraj. So that place is known as Poonchari or the tail. Now there also there are very important places. One is there is a Narsingha Dev temple. Now we would wonder that Narsingha Dev is a Vaikuntha deity. What is he doing in this sweet pastime of Vrindavan and Govardhan? So Narsingha Dev is present there to protect our devotion to Shri Shri Radha and Krishna. Narsingha Dev, the devotees worship as Bhakti Vigna Vinashak. So any obstacle in my devotional service, Narsingha Dev removes, and that is why he is sitting there. So the devotees who are doing parikrama, and if they are finding it any challenges, so he removes that. Also, at the end there is a temple of Poonchari ka Lota Baba. So Poonchari is the tail, and there is this temple of Lota Baba. Now when Krishna was leaving, Akrura had come and he was taking Krishna to Mathura. So that time all the Gopas, they came and they were requesting Krishna, don't go, and when will you come? And Krishna was telling, I'll come soon, I'll come soon. So there was one particular Gopa who was asking Krishna, when will you return? Krishna said, most likely tomorrow. So he was not very convinced. And then he asked again, no, you tell me clearly. So Krishna replied, okay, not tomorrow, then day after tomorrow. Otherwise, I will return very soon. You wait here for me, I'll return very soon. So this Gopa, he sat there fasting, and his eyes are wide open, and he was waiting, when will Krishna return, when will Krishna return? So he was waiting for thousands of years. He has been waiting there, and that is the temple there. So his body, his body converted into this deity, what we see there as Lota Baba. And again in Chaitanya Charitamrita, it is a description that 500 years ago when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did Govardhan Parikrama, and he goes to that place also. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's return was sort of that you were waiting for me for so long, and here I have come. So that is the temple which is still there, and this is the Poonchari ka Lota Baba. Hare Krishna.